In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from QuickBooks to Zoho Books. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step so you can easily transition your financial data without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to start by signing into your Zoho Books account. Simply head over to the sign in page and enter your login credentials. If you've already linked your Google account, you can click on the Google sign in option and select your account from the list. This will give you access to all the functionalities Zoho Books has to offer. Once you're signed into Zoho Books, we're going to switch gears for a moment and jump over to QuickBooks. Sign into your QuickBooks account using your credentials. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is where you'll find the tools you need to start exporting your data. Under the Tools section, you'll notice an option called Export Data. Click on this and you'll be prompted to select the specific data you wish to export. It's important to carefully choose the data sets you need because this will be what you carry over to Zoho Books. Confirm your selections and proceed to save the data to your computer. Now that you have your data file saved, the next task is to convert it into a CSV format. Open the exported file and save it as a CSV file. This is a crucial step because Zoho Books will need the data in this format for a smooth import process. Great, your data is now ready for import. Let's head back over to Zoho Books. Once you're in Zoho Books, navigate to the Sales section, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and click on them. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option to import customers. Go ahead and click on that. You're now about to begin the import process. Click on Continue, and when prompted, browse your files on your computer to locate the CSV file you just saved. After selecting your file, click on Next. Now you'll see a screen where you can check the fields you wish to import. This part ensures that only the data you need will be carried over into Zoho Books. Carefully review each field and make your selections. Once satisfied, click Next. Finally, you're almost there. With everything double checked, go ahead and click on Import. Your data will be transferred from QuickBooks to Zoho Books, allowing you to seamlessly manage your financial information in your new accounting software. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to migrating from QuickBooks to Zoho Books. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure your financial data is accurately and securely transferred. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.